Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be checking out ZebOS 2 Preview, which is a version of ZebOS made by Right Designs that he coded, so let's check it out. Anyways, we've got this crazy Zeb City Megatrends thing. Obviously we've got an Intel Core i9-14900K apparently at 3.4 gigahertz at 3400 megahertz RAM. We have 64 gigabytes of DDR5. That is crazy. Anyways, we're gonna press enter. We've also got a M.2 1 terabyte NVMe. And here is the BIOS. As you can see, you can go into the BIOS. That looks pretty cool. Zeb City Megatrend version 3.0.26100. And we've got all this stuff like CPU type, the RAM, serial number, MAC address. What the heck? Anyways, we've got system date that I don't know if we can change. Can we change it? No, we can't. It's fine. Uptime is also frozen, but it's fine. Administrator, we can go advanced, TPM support on, all that good stuff. We have our boot options. As you can see here, our boot options. So yeah, pretty nice, pretty nice. And we have our, let's save changes, and here it is booting up. And as you can see, we are now in ZebOS. So as you can see, it looks pretty nice. Let's go into the Zeb Explorer, as you can see. And as you can see, we've got the desktop. We have this nice little animation there when you move that stuff. And we got some weird AI generated text here for what this is. We got the README, which is pretty cool. It has some nice sound effects too. We got a projects folder. We got a change log. That's pretty cool. We have ideas. These are some ideas, I guess. We can obviously go up a directory, up another directory. Oh, that's desktop. So yeah, we got desktop, documents, down. Oh, we got notes. Okay, and we've got script draft. There's some scripts. We got the downloads folder for setup. Direct Zeb graphics. We got the root. We've got Zeb users, which just takes you to desktop apparently, and it just crashes. I don't know what that is. The Zeb core subsystem. We got a ZDL file. Access denied. Zebcore.zdl is an encrypted ZebOS core modular system configuration file. You do not have security administrator privileges to view or decrypt the files. Yeah, you can't open any of these, as you can see. Can we open the Zeb shell? No. About ZebOS. That should open up the about. It doesn't open. Okay, well, we've got the expansion. We've got Zeb trash, old concept draft. And then we've got temporary, that's another DLL. We can create new folders. Or we can, oh, this is a trash. Why would you want to make a folder there? You can make a brand new folder or a new text file. It doesn't really work, but it's fine. New text file, new grid, all that good stuff. Now let's check out ZebBrowse. It can open up the official 7Zeb website, obviously. And we have something called ZebSearch, the ZebSearch engine. ZebOS preview to official build. It just goes here. We got this ZebSearch engine. Let's search up 7Zeb and see what it comes up with. Oh, it just goes there. It goes to 7Zeb YouTube. That should just go there. And the GitHub. That just goes to my site. And this just goes to my GitHub profile. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I wonder what happens if we go to google.com. It doesn't work because of embeds, but that is fine. So yeah, you also, if you don't, you cannot close it. You just gotta close it from here. Let's now check out the terminal. We can type help for commands. Here's a bunch of commands. We've got our 7Zeb. There's an Easter egg. There's a literal Easter egg. We got Winver, which opens up with Winver, I guess, but it's not Winver. Yeah. Verified for Project Cyan. System owner me, made by Right Designs, obviously, Right Designs. And yeah, pretty nice. Let's go and check out the ZebOS store. We have some other stuff. Does this oh, the actually install stuff. That is really cool. Okay. We got the Zeb Arcade. What is the Zeb Arcade? Play now. Oh, we got Snake. Okay. We got a version of Snake. Up. Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's try that again. Okay, there we go. Nice, nice, nice. Oh. There we go. There we go. No. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got Space Defender. Oh wait, I think. Oh, you press space. Okay. You have to like. I think you have to like quickly shoot them. I don't know. You gotta shoot as many as you can. Oh no. Okay. Oh no no. Okay. Wow. We've also got the Zeb Trash, which can delete this. Let's empty Zeb Trash. We've got the Zeb Paint. You know, this is Zeb Paint. We can draw. Obviously, we can we can add a circle. We can add a rectangle. We can make a line. We can use the eraser. We can make it absolutely humongous. Here it is. Yeah, we can make it really big. Guys, I feel like this is some awesome art, right? Oh my, look how big the circle can be. It can be so big. Okay, we can make like a gigantic rectangle. And we can save this, I'm assuming. Oh, it actually brings up a save thing. Wait, let's see if it actually saves it properly. Okay, hold on. Wait for it to download. Let's go and open the file. Let's see if it actually saved it. Or if it... Oh, there we go. There's our amazing art. That is our amazing art. Yeah. We've also got Minesweeper. Okay. Okay, so there should be right here, right here. Let's do the other... Oh, okay. Okay, it's right there. There's one. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm assuming it's either right here or right here. Okay. It should be right there. Oh, no, we got it. Let's try one more time. Oh, that's a huge space cleared. But let's do this other side. Oh, no. Okay, there. There. We're just gonna click randomly. Oh, that one's... No, that was so bad. Okay, let's go into settings. We can get our wallpapers. And we can even add a custom wallpaper. So hold on, let me try this. Actually, let's try this. So I have a photo here, and we're gonna apply it. And oh wow, it actually works. Wow, that is super cool. You can change the accent color, obviously. Let's say that we want to do green. We can make this green now. You can see the windows green. And you can see the start menu is now green and everything. Really, really nice. We can go into taskbar and system. We can add taskbar clock seconds so we can see the exact seconds. And as you can see, they actually are correct. So yeah, you can add the blur, obviously. Look at that. You can add a blur to the taskbar a bit. About ZebOS. Really nice. And let's go into the media player. The media player doesn't really work, but it's fine. Let's go open up the start menu. As you can see, you can search for stuff like Winver, and all that stuff. And Zeb CMD, I guess this is just a terminal. So yeah, that is really nice. You can also just like do a bunch of stuff here. Okay, that is pretty cool. There's also task list. We can go into task list. Here it is, our CPU usage, our RAM. Is that the real memory usage? Oh no, it's not. The real memory usage is like a gig, but that's fine. We can just end tasks. We can end everything. It still somehow works. That is really funny. We can refresh. It's using negative RAM. It's using negative RAM. It's using negative RAM, guys. Negative RAM. This is awesome. Negative. It's using negative RAM. Will it? Can it use negative CPU? Can we get our CPU back? That is really, that is really funny. Okay, let's go and see what else there is. What happens if you right click the task? Oh, that just opens that up. It opened everything back up, guys. It's okay. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of those. Get rid of that. Oh, this one's taking up a lot of space. And let's get rid of that. And let's get rid of that. And it is somehow still using RAM. Well, actually, the system, but it drops to negatives. It drops to the negative. That's the dumbest thing I've ever seen. I don't know why it does that, but yeah. Let's see what else there is in this thing. We have themes and visuals, system utilities, retro sound effects. Is that there? I don't know where that is. I don't think you can find it. But yeah, installed. There's everything installed. And Power Toys unlocks window title bar snap. Oh wait, we should try that out. Well, clearly there's not this. Oh, how do you? Okay, that is really weird. You can make it really big. You can make it go off the screen. You can make it really small. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I accidentally moved my main PC's thing. Oh, yeah. Let's try that. You can make it super big, but yeah. Okay, let's do that again. Make this window smaller. There we go. Go back. Anyways, we can do that. We can open up terminal, as you can see, and let's try if we can open up run. Can up? No, I accidentally opened the file explorer. No. Oh wait, yeah, this is not gonna have commands. We're gonna open up the task list because it makes a lot of sense. There's a task list. We're going to make sure it has negative memory usage. Negative memory usage. Refresh. We need that negative memory usage. And we're going to type in WinVer because we're going to run WinVer, even though this is not Windows, but it's fine. Here it is. And then we'll open up the start menu, or the ZebOS start menu. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we know we were getting negatives. Okay. We're gonna get the perfect shot. No. Okay, no, it's going up again. There we go. Oh yes, we got it. Okay. So we're gonna take a screenshot. That's gonna be our thumbnail. And anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, blame the London and Northeastern Railway for all your Windows problems. I'm 7Zeb, and I'll see you in the next video.